Hi, this is Ask Brock. I'm Brock Yorty. This question comes in from Mark. Brock, I completely disagree with you. There's never a good time to replace a veteran foreman with a new one. This is obviously a follow-up to episode 185's question on advice to replace a veteran foreman with a new foreman. Mark, I can't disagree with you. There's never a good time. However, there's always a good time for improvement. And we in this industry are excellent drillers. We do a poor job at business, and we do a poor job at leadership, and we do a poor job at succession. Not everybody, but we can always improve. And so let's just step it up to this: accountability. Obviously, there's an issue with what happened in last week's question, and the veteran foreman is not performing. And we have the option of a performance improvement plan, feedback. We need to do a better job of talking to our people all the time and explaining to them when they're not doing the right thing. Hey, we thought this pump job should have taken 4 hours. Why did it take the whole day? And then we find out we had the wrong tools, or there was some misinformation, or we just didn't push. It comes back to accountability. And so let's look at it this way. If we're developing foremen, we should be developing them at the point that they can step in and help at any given moment. Because for all too long, we've done this whole baptized by fire, where it's the helper is the helper until the moment that the driller is no longer available. And now you're on the platform and you're supposed to just immediately perform. So we should have good succession planning, and we should have new foremen working with veteran foremen and understanding the job. And if there's this worry about, I'm training them to take my job, again, experience is knowledge, and knowledge gives us good experience. This is exactly the same conversation. But what we really need to get good at is realizing the full potential of each employee and how we want them to perform. And sometimes it comes back to that veteran foreman is ready to go work on jet pumps by themselves, or they need some time away doing something else. If it's tough jobs or estimating or anything, we need a change of pace. We get burned out. We work long hours. It's getting to the end of the year, and it's deer season. Maybe they need a little bit more vacation so they can go out and get that big buck. We got to think about the entire team and the benefits of employees in the field, foremen leading those employees, and what's happening with the overall morale of our company. So yeah, is there ever a good time to replace a foreman with somebody that doesn't have as much experience? No. But what do we got to do? We got to figure out how to fill that gap and constantly be training. And if we can't figure that out, and it sounds like, Mark, you're not having the same situation that Peter is, you need to be in the field with them, and you need to see how leadership is happening and finding out what's working. Look at the retention of your company. Look at the success. December 31st rolls around and you look in your bank account and you start thinking about wrap up of 2022. Do you have the money in the bank to buy that new rig or progress the company you want to? It's all about accountability. It's accountability on you. It's on accountability of our leadership, and it's on the accountability of our people. We have to be able to hold ourselves accountable and then be able to hold others accountable for what's not working. Good luck.